In this lesson, we're going to take a look at how we can use determinants to find the area of a triangle with coordinates anywhere in the coordinate system. So go ahead and pause the video and take your notes. And that is the notes of all of this right here. The area of a triangle with vertices A, B, C, D, and E, F can be calculated by finding the absolute value of the determinant of A and then taking a half, where A is the matrix that has all of the vertices in it. That's your A and B for your first vertex, C and D for your second vertex, E and F for your third vertex of your triangle, and the last column in your matrix is filled in with ones. So let's go ahead and find the area of a triangle that has these three vertices. So the very first thing we need to do is we need to build our matrix A. Our matrix A is built by putting in our vertices into our matrix 1, 3, negative 3, 0, 5, 0, and then filling in our last column with all ones. And remember, when we're finding a determinant of a 3 by 3, we copy the very first columns down. 1, negative 3, 5, 3, 0, 0. So let's go ahead and find the determinant of matrix A. We'll go ahead and multiply our first diagonal. Remember, 0 times anything is 0, so our first diagonal comes out to be 0. What's our second diagonal? 3 times 1 is 3 times 5 is 15. Our third diagonal, 1 times negative 3 is negative 3 times 0. Again, anything multiplied by a 0 is 0. Let's go ahead and do our backwards diagonals. Remember, we're going to subtract our backwards ones. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 times 1 is negative 9. The next one, 1 times 1 is 1 times 0 is 0. And then 1 times 0, oops, there we have a 0 in that one again, that's 0 as well. So when we simplify our determinant, we get 15 plus 9 equals 24. So let's go ahead and plug that into this equation. Our area equals 1/2 the absolute value of our determinant, which is 24. The absolute value of 24 is 24 times 1/2, which is 12. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and do the same process with this triangle down here with these vertices.